Korean, Chinese. Do you know Tagalog? No? Bitter, I left a little bit. What are you doing in the Philippines? What are you doing in the Philippines? Huh? What are you doing in the Philippines? Huh? Working? Why are you not working in Japan? Why are you not working in Japan? Huh? You like the Philippines? But Japan is the highest job fair. Like? No? Still that one. But you graduated in Japan college. You graduated in Japan college. You graduated in college Japan. Okay. How many years are you living there? Okay. Young. How old are you now? How old are you now? 20? 20? So very young. So very young you graduated in college in Japan? Yeah? So very young you graduated in college in Japan? Huh? 3 years? Not graduated?
Not the young graduate.
Not a young graduated.
Because I 30, just young. 30, not 30.
Not
30.
Saki. What Saki? Saki?
30. 3.
30.
Yeah.
That's you're 30 years old. 30. I mean to you, I got around 20. I'm wrong. Same, I'm 30. Okay. Same, I was 30 years old this August. Oh, I'm 30 years old. What's your birth month? October. You got 31? October? 30? Okay. Say hello to my camera. Say hello. Hello to my camera.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.